Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to pair either Bluetooth headphones or a Bluetooth speaker such as a soundbar to a Roku Ultra device. So I'm on the home screen here of my Roku Ultra, and what we want to do is from this menu go down to settings, and then in our settings we want to go down to where it says remotes and devices, and this is where we want to pair wireless headphones. So what we're going to do is go over here and click select on where it says add new wireless headphones. And then it's going to be searching for wireless headphones in our general vicinity that are in pairing mode. So I'm going to take these AirPods and I'm going to put them into pairing mode by holding this little button here on the back, waiting for that to go into pairing mode. So I can select those headphones with the remote right here, clicking select on that, and it's connecting up to my AirPod headphones. It says that I'm all done, hooked up, and ready to go. So now I have those Bluetooth AirPods hooked up, but let's say I wanted to do a Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to power this soundbar on, and then with that on, I'm going to hold down this Bluetooth button right here to put it into pairing mode, holding it down for a handful of seconds, and then I'm going to do the same process. So it's going to be wireless headphones again, add to pair a Bluetooth device there. It's going to search my general vicinity, and there it shows up my Bluetooth soundbar, so I can click OK on that. It's going to connect up to my soundbar, and I can see that it is now connected, and it says you're done with the check mark. And I'm now hooked up to my Vizio soundbar if I'd like to do that, or I can switch it over to the AirPods. I have both Bluetooth connections as options now to connect up with my Roku Ultra. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful, going over how to connect Bluetooth headphones or speakers to a Roku Ultra. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and again, we can find this in the settings of our Roku. And from our settings, all we need to do is go down to remotes and devices to add either of these as wireless headphones.